Okay, so my boy Deacon and I, right here with me, we're going to talk to you about writing your journal article analysis. But this is really important because this is going to be for the rest of your body paragraphs for the paper. For your first journal article analysis, for your second one, both of these, the instructions are going to be pretty much the same. With the exception with the second one, you're going to have edited the first one. And so this is a basic blueprint of what that's going to look like. Some of the most important stuff that we'll probably do all semester. And so I hope you're more engaged than Deacon is right now because he's taking a little nap. So how I want these papers to be organized, or how I'm going to grade them, is based on your use of APA style. And so you definitely want to be up to date on all of that. Using the correct title page, the spacing, the font, all of that stuff. Now there's going to be some elements that we haven't necessarily gone over yet, uh, and so we're going to talk about that in a minute. You're going to have an introduction in this little paper. You're going to have a section that talks about the participants and procedures, and then you're going to have a section that's going to talk about the results and conclusions of the study. That's the basic four parts of the grading, and of a lot of the writing of this paper. So the APA style stuff that I'm going to be grading on is, first of all, you have a one-page maximum for this paper. So I don't want to see any more than one page. I will take off points if you do more than one page. That's really important, and I know that for some of you who like to write a lot, that might be hard. You're going to have to condense some of what you would normally write into less material. But that's a skill that takes some time and takes some effort, but it's something that you need to learn because a lot of publications now are requiring shorter papers, and so you're not going to write a book. And plus, it helps me to grade it because I don't have time. You want to do this entire paper about one study in one paragraph. I don't need a bunch of paragraphs. Again, waste space, waste time. It's going to make it harder for you to make it one page if you have tried to do more than one paragraph. APA style stuff, I want to see your title page being properly formatted, and the way that the videos are explained to you. I don't need a reference page this time because you're going to be doing that in your subsequent things. But I do want to be properly cited and spaced for what we're trying to do. And we'll continue and talk about the rest in the next videos.